In today's gig economy, selling digital products made by AI is one of the fastest ways to make passive income online. And thanks to AI, you can now create and sell them faster than ever. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create and sell AI-made digital products even if you have zero design or tech skills. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what types of digital products sell best, which AI tools to use, and where to sell them for maximum profit. Let's dive in. Let's start with step number 1. Choose a profitable digital product. So what exactly are digital products? Well, basically anything you can sell online that customers download instantly is considered a digital product. Some of the most profitable ones in 2025 include ebooks and guides, Canva templates, printables and planners, stock images, videos, and music, as well as AI-generated art. To find success, pick one niche and focus there. This could be anything from fitness, productivity, business, art, and so on. But for the purpose of this tutorial, let's go with productivity templates for entrepreneurs. More specifically, we'll create an annual planner. Now it's your turn. Choose a niche and type of digital product you want to sell. Here are some ideas to get you started. Step number 2, create your product using AI tools. Next, we'll use different AI tools to actually create our digital product, starting with Chat GPT. I'll ask it to write a productivity planner for ambitious entrepreneurs looking to organize their year. It'll then write an entire ebook for us to use as a template. If you're finding value in this video so far, do me a favor and hit that like button. It helps me a lot. Thanks. Next, let's generate the actual designs for our planner. For this, I'm using a tool called Midjourney, but you can also use Leonardo AI, which has recently been updated to version 2.3, allowing you to upload your own images for AI avatars, remixing them with other artwork styles, and so much more. Leonardo AI is the tool I personally use. For this video, though, I'll show you how to use Midjourney. Simply type /imagine and then describe the type of art you want to see. So I'll ask for a monthly planner with floral elements on a white background. Then click enter, and within seconds it'll generate 4 images for us to choose from. I really like this one here, so I'll ask it to generate 4 more with the same style and settings. Now I really love this one, so I'll upscale it to full resolution and save it to my computer. Now we need to remove the background of these flowers, so I'll use a free tool called Remove BG for this. Removing the background makes it easier to place the text and graphics on top of it later on. Now that we have our backgrounds ready, we can start creating our planner templates inside Canvas. Canvas has just released new AI features, making it easier than ever to design your digital products. We'll start by creating a new document. And Canvas, I'll search for Planner Template and select this one here. Then click Duplicate. That way we have a blank template to work with. I'll upload the images we generated earlier. Now let's drag and drop the first image onto the template and resize it accordingly. Then I'll upload the monthly calendar in a PNG format. I'll insert it on top of the image and resize it as needed. Then I'll upload some dividers and drag them to the bottom. Finally, I'll add the page numbers at the bottom left corner, and that's pretty much it. The only thing left to do is to duplicate this template for every month, and luckily Canvas has a new duplicator feature for this. Simply select the pages you want to duplicate and click Ctrl-D, then right-click and click on Arrange Pages. From here, we can quickly move the duplicates to the right sidebar. In just a few minutes, we've successfully created our monthly planner using the power of AI. What took me around 7 hours of work when I first started out now takes just a few minutes. That's the power of AI. Now it's your turn. Take everything you've learned so far and create your first digital product. Step number 3, package your digital product. Once you've created your digital product, it's time to package it into a neat file that's ready to sell. For example, this monthly planner template is a good starting point. However, buyers won't be able to edit it unless it's saved as a Canvas template. To do this, simply share this template with others and click on Copy Link. then paste the link into a Google Drive folder. Finally, right-click and click on Get Link. This will give you a direct link to download the template. Next, you need to create a preview image. This is the thumbnail that buyers will see before purchasing. Make sure it shows exactly what they're buying. Now let's move on to step 4, which is to sell your product. There are many platforms you can use to sell your digital products, such as Etsy, Gumroad, Creative Market, and Amazon KDP. To choose the best platform for you, consider your product type and target market. For example, Etsy is great for printables and planners. Gumroad is great for ebooks, guides, and courses. Creative Market is ideal for design templates, while Amazon KDP is great for ebooks and journals. Whichever platform you choose, make sure to follow their guidelines and best practices to increase your chances of success. Let's take a look at Etsy. For instance, it's a popular marketplace for selling digital and handmade products with millions of active buyers. To get started, you'll need to open a shop, create a listing for your product with a clear title and description, and set your price. Etsy will take a small commission on each sale and handle the rest, including payment processing and shipping. That said, you'll still need to drive traffic to your listing through SEO or paid advertising. Another option is Gumroad. Unlike Etsy, Gumroad is designed specifically for digital creators and online sellers. It offers more customization options for pricing and promotion. Plus, it integrates with major payment gateways. Then we have Creative Market, which is a digital marketplace focused on design assets like fonts, graphics, and templates. To succeed here, you'll need high-quality products and strong SEO since buyers often come to Creative Market knowing exactly what they want. Lastly, there's Amazon KDP, which allows you to publish and sell ebooks and paperbacks globally. While the competition is fierce, the potential reach and revenue make it worth considering. Upload your digital product, set your price, and let the platform handle the rest. Whether you choose Etsy, Gumroad, Creative Market, or Amazon KDP, all of these platforms allow you to upload your product, set your price, and let the platform handle the rest. So it's important to research and choose the one that best suits your product and target market. Step number 5. Drive traffic with AI. Don't just wait for sales to come to you. Instead, use AI to promote your products. Start by generating TikTok and YouTube scripts using ChatGPT. Describe your product and its benefits and let ChatGPT do the rest. You can also use Canva and CapCut to create engaging social media videos. Additionally, AI copywriting tools can help you craft compelling ads and product descriptions. Let's take social media marketing, for example. A platform like Instagram is a great place to start promoting your planner. Create a business account and post engaging content related to productivity and entrepreneurship. You can use Canva to create eye-catching graphics featuring quotes or tips from your planner. Additionally, create short videos showcasing how to use your planner effectively. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience and engage with followers who might be interested in your product. Moving on to paid advertising, platforms like Facebook and Google Ads allow you to target specific demographics interested in products like yours. Create compelling ad copy and visuals, and track your results to optimize your campaigns. You can also leverage the power of influencer marketing by collaborating with influencers in the productivity niche. Send them your planner and ask them to promote it to their followers. Alternatively, run contests and giveaways to generate excitement and attract new customers. These are just a few ways to drive traffic to your digital products. So choose the ones that align with your budget and target audience. Remember, the more traffic you drive, the more passive sales you'll make. All right, so here's my question for you. If you were to sell your first AI digital product, would you start with templates, ebooks, or printables? Let me know in the comments below. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. It helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching, and if you want to learn more about making money with AI, check out the playlist right here. I'll see you in the next video.